bases. Okay, so the slight acid here going to come. Okay, so bases are those substance, okay, which are bitter in taste. Okay, that will keep the bitter taste. Okay, bitter in taste and choppy in taste. Okay, when we touch them, it will feel like a soft. Soft, it has the greasy like feels, right? So that feels will be there. Okay, so but they are bitter in taste. You know what kinds of the fruits item you eat which are bitter? That we have to know. Okay, so cucumber, you know, the cucumber is okay. The cucumber, the two ends of the cucumber, whenever you eat, okay, you will feel the taste. What taste? That is the bitter taste you will find there. Okay, the cucumber, that there are two ends. Okay, so that's why we have to know. And also many other food items. Okay, just like your toothpaste and all, it also contains what is called this base only. Okay, and in the edible item, there is what is called bat kerala. Is say na? That is what it is called. I forgot. Okay, so many food items are okay, which are bitter in taste. You must keep in mind that they generally contain the base. Okay, so example of the base is the sodium hydroxide. This is the strong base. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, okay, magnesium hydroxide. You know, this is called as the milk of magnesia. Okay, generally this is called as the milk of magnesia. Okay, and this is in the market you will find, okay, as the dietine, in the name of the dietine. Okay, when you have the acidity and all, okay, this dietine tablet, when you eat, then it will recover. Okay, that means from the severe pains and all that. Okay, so because the dietine is a base, okay, and which neutralize the excess acid that present in your stomach. Okay, so this is called the milk of magnesia. We have to know. Okay, so magnesium hydroxide. Some others are also there. There is the calcium hydroxide and all. CaOH whole bracket. Okay, so etc. Okay, so this is all about the bases. Okay, and some of the example. Okay, now let us learn the other concept of the bases. Okay, what are the other concepts of the bases? Same like that of the acids. Okay. Okay, other concepts of bases. Okay, what are the different different scientists concept? So before you already learned that is the Arrhenius and the Lorentz concept, right? So here number first one is that according to, I write here just directly, that is the Arrhenius concept only. Okay, Arrhenius concept of the base. According to Arrhenius concept, okay, according to the Arrhenius concept, bases are those substance. Okay, bases are those substance. Okay, what do you think? What will give? Okay, which dissociates into? Dissociate means that is the back down. Okay, which dissociate into? Okay, generally what will give? Hydroxide ion. Hydroxide. Hydroxide is this OH minus. Okay, hydroxide ions. Okay, when dissolved in water. Okay, just keep in mind that any bases when dissolved in water, they will produce hydroxide ion, that is the OH. Okay, yeah, this point we have to know. So this is the just three pairs, and here next one is the Arrhenius concept of the base. Okay, so you must keep in mind that sodium hydroxide, when it is dissociated in the water, okay, when it is dissociated in the water, what it will form? It will dissociate into sodium ions and the hydroxide ion. So these, because of the presence of this hydroxide ion, okay, we take it as the what? Okay, this is the base. Okay, so this is the Arrhenius concept, and another one is the Bronsted-Lowry concept. Okay, Bronsted-Lowry concept. Okay. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, bases are those substances, okay, which can accept a proton. Okay, you must keep in mind that these bases, they can accept a proton. Okay, so that's one only. But according to the acid, as we already know that according to the Bronsted-Lowry concept, acids are the those substances which can donate किसी को एक electron और एक proton दे सकता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That we call as the acid. But according to this base, okay, according to the Bronsted-Lowry concept, the bases is defined as those substances which can accept, okay, that can take from the one protons, okay, that is given the name, that is what? That is the bases. Okay, so this is the concept of the acids and the base. Okay, so what is time now? Okay, we have around 10 minutes. Okay, what? I think you have the another class also. Yeah. Okay. Now let us go for this one. That is the physical properties of bases. Okay. Okay, the physical properties of the bases. Okay, so number first point of the physical property is that they are bitter in taste. Okay, they are bitter in taste. Okay, so what do you know about that one? Before in the metals, what you already know? Gaming Siram, in the acids, the physical properties of acids. What are the physical properties of acids? Forgot all. Okay, anyway, so they are a bitter in taste. Okay. They are choppy in taste. Okay, when we touch them, then it will feel like it is what calls just like soft. Okay, having the what called very greasy type, slippery type. Okay, so that's point we have to know. Okay, they are soluble in water. Okay, number 5 point. They change. Okay. Okay, what we have given here in that acid? Okay, so wait. Okay, so in this case, what will come here? They change the red litmus to blue. Okay, what it will change? They will change the what I call the red litmus to blue. Okay, and what else we can give here? Okay, some of the points here we can mention here. Number 6. Okay, bitter, choppy, soluble in water, red lemon. Okay, yes, right. Number 5. Okay, number 6. Okay, they have low freezing point. Okay, they have low freezing point. Okay, so in the cold season, okay, in the cold season, they freeze generally the sodium hydroxide. Okay, they freeze to form semi-solid mass, okay, or semi-solid substance, okay, or we can call it as a slag, okay. That is generally sodium hydroxide. We call it as a slag, okay. So this is the what I call that is the yes. Oh, it changed number 3 then. It's number 4 and number 5. Yes. Okay. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the mistake they are in the numbering. Okay, no problem. Bitter in taste, they are soapy in taste, they are soluble in water, they change the red litmus to blue, and they have the low freezing point. Okay, so in the cold season or cold weather, they freeze to form the semi-solid substance. Okay, and that semi-solid substance we can call it as the what? Okay, there is a slag. Okay, so like that only, yeah. Okay, so this is about this what I call the bases, and here next we are going to learn about that is the chemical properties of the bases and all. Okay, after then, very interestingly here in the salt, one of the very important part of this chapter is the salt. Okay, we are going to form the different kind of salt. Just keep in mind that salt doesn't mean that only जो नमक जो हम घर में खा रहे हैं उतना ही salt है. It's not like that. Okay, salt is not only that salt. Okay, we already form many other salts here, like a sodium carbonate, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate. Okay, zinc carbonate, zinc chloride, and all others are also salts. Okay, so but this salt they divided into the different only. Some are acidic, some are basic, and some are neutral. And that neutral salt only we are eating. That is the sodium chloride. Okay, so like that only. Okay. Okay, so due to the shortage of time, okay, actually today our time is gone because of this technical problem, we can say. Okay, so no problem. So we have to discuss in the next other classes. Okay, and I hope you understand up to here, right? If you have any inquiry, you can, any question, you can ask now. Yes, anyone? Jomo Gankas, you understand? Sure, yes, Ram. Oh, this, what is it? Bases are conductor or insulator. Okay, you see, I already told you base when dissolved in water, they give ion sodium ions and hydroxide ions, isn't it? Yeah. So those substances which produce iron, okay, when dissolved in water or in any solution, then definitely they will conduct electricity. Okay, you can mention here. Okay, bases, the aqueous solutions of the bases conduct electricity. Okay, you can write down as a point. Okay, aqueous solutions of bases, ordinate or dilute solutions of the bases, okay, conduct electricity. Okay, because due to the production of these ions. Okay, when they produce, surely that is the conductivity of the electricity surely will be there. But if they are not producing any ions, then they will not be a good conductor. Okay, someone understand, right? Okay, so what about others? Okay, see, you take very seriously, okay, all of you, okay, some of you are weak enough as you know yourself about your standards, okay, how weak or how strong you are in the study and all, okay. So if you think that you feel that you are weak enough, just ask yourself, understand yourself, okay, then you give more pressure, okay, just to go through all these things, study nicely, properly, okay, and go systematically in time. Okay, during the study time, you have to focus in your study only. Okay, just focus in your study. Okay, during the study time, if you mix with some others, some are calling me or in the mobile, along with all those things, it will not work. Okay, somehow nowadays your parents are giving you, allowing you to use your mobile or a laptop or whatever, okay, in the name of the online classes. Okay, so but don't take the advantage of all those things. Okay, yes, for the namesake, please don't take advantage. Okay, so just use it properly and use in time. Okay, everything we have to do in time. Okay, so whenever you play game, just play as full of your heart and spirit. Okay, when you study, at the time you dedicate with your soul, mind, and all. Just like when you pray to your God, you do not think anything, right? Just to concentrate on your to the God, right? Like that, you focus on your study. At the time only, it will be very good. You surely will improve. Okay, don't say that I'm weak. Don't make weakness yourself. Okay, weakness is one thing that we ourselves try to make ourselves. Okay, so if you try hard, if you work hard, surely your weakness surely will remove. Just keep in mind. Okay, if you study, okay, yes, according to your brain level also it depends. Some of you are brilliant. One time you study, you understand. Some of you are a medium level student. If you read 2 times, 3 times, it will be you understand. Some are very weak also, no problem. You study. If some are studying 1 hour, you spend 3 hours. Okay, 2 times more than those people who are studying 1 hour. Those who are in brilliant, okay, you spend 2 more hours from them. At that time only you can go parallelly with them. Okay, equally with them you can go. Okay, so they are studying 1 hour. When they study, the brilliant student, in 1 hour they study, then they know understand. They understand all. Okay, but at the time, if you are, they are studying only 1 hour. Okay, me also I will study 1 hour. Then definitely, surely the level will go in this way. If you want to come up with this one, then they are spending 1 hour. You have to spend 2 or 3 hours. Then at the time only you can go equally and federally. So this point you have to keep in your mind. Not only that we are giving the class, you have to understand all these things also. Okay. Otherwise, just for themselves, it will go. Okay. Be punctual and be in time. Okay. Everyone should present in time. I know you face a problem when you wake up in the morning and all. I know that because here in Natal, generally people used to wake up by, say some of you people used to wake up early, but most generally by 9, by 10, by 11, by 12 also, 12 a.m., after 7 p.m. also. So John is just now only, see what What I will do for this one? Don't worry. No, I will not. Okay. So just keep in mind all these things. Okay. So that's today is up to here. Okay, our class is over now. Okay, I thought that you have some other classes also. Okay, I hope you enjoy the classes, and if you have the problem, okay, you can check in my channel also, or I will give you the link in our school app and all. Okay, thank you and all.